Hey guys, just got a subscriber. Now let's go to the beach.
I've never really been the one who's worried. Always been the one who's keeping it cool. The kind of guy who chill while others hurry. I didn't know that I've been the fool. I've been telling lies about something real, but I know love is based on honesty. Kept thinking how real love should feel, knowing that it's not just you, it's me. Cause I was made to be free. I am made to be free. I am made to be free.
Hey guys, let's go to the beach.
Well, I am made to be free. Been thinking about myself and myself only. I've been like that since I was a kid. I've always put my feet wherever I want to. Before I saw who I could be.
The whole beach is wet. It was like super rain this morning. That's why no sand getting into our driftwood got gone flat. Now probably it's high tide because the water is much near the shore. It's probably high tide now. Oh, the water is cold. Cold water today, but past 2 days it was warm water, but today cold water. The sun is already gone. Probably not gonna see any sunsets, but probably we'll see some red sky. Probably will see some red rays on the sky, but probably will not see any proper sunset. Fishing trawlers, I don't know if you guys can see or not, in that direction. Those trawlers are really deep into the sea, but it's visible from here. So see you guys in a bit.
Been thinking about myself and myself only. I've been like that since I was a kid. I've always put my feet wherever I want to. Before I saw who I could be, kept thinking
Hey guys, pedaling is done and do some photography and videography. You guys have already seen. So but there is no sign of the sun, and still no sign of the sun or any sign of sunset. So still we are gonna wait here till sunset time, like 6:30. After that, let's see what happens.